Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add passkeys on Binance app. So as you can see, this is the official application of Binance, so make sure to download it from your app store and Play Store, and once you have downloaded, just open the application Binance and make sure to log in with your account as well. And once you're logged in with your account, so you will see your profile section on the upper left corner. So just click on your profile section and you will be seeing kind of this interface on here. And on this page you will be able to see like shortcut, and there are like many shortcuts refer to earn, traders bootcamp, rewards hub, Ramadan, and edit. And below that is recommend, like P2P and pay, simple earn. There are like many options. So just in the recommend option, just click on more services. And once you click on more services, if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find this option called security in the common functions option. So the first option is common functions, and here just click on security. And once you click on security, as you can see, the first option is passkeys in like biometrics. So just click on passkeys biometrics, and once you click on here, as you can see, I have added a passkey for myself. So you can just click on add passkeys, and once you click on add passkeys, you will be able to add it in your Binance app in your mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.